Is your phone stuck with the same old wallpaper? It's time for a fresh look. Okay, so it's time for whether you're using a Samsung, Tecno, Infinix, any Android phone, I've got you covered, even iPhone. Okay, so don't scroll away just because I'm using a Galaxy phone. Okay, the steps are super similar on most phones, and I'll point out the differences as we go, so stick with me. So by the end of this video, your phone is gonna feel brand new. Let's go. So on most Android phones, including Samsung, Tecno, all of them, just long press anywhere on your home screen where there are no apps. You tap that like that. But on iPhone, just tap and hold the lock screen directly to go to settings and then wallpaper. So once the screen zoom out like this, you will see the option like wallpaper and style for Samsung phones. Then on Tecno and Infinix, you might just say wallpaper. Just tap that. Okay, for iPhone, you go to settings, wallpaper, add new wallpaper. So we tap this and then we choose your wallpaper source. So you can choose from, if I tap here now, right, you can choose from your gallery of photos to use your own pictures, or you can use the default wallpapers, preloaded ones. There are ones you can create with AI like this, right? Then there are dynamic wallpapers, animated or video. These are available on newer Samsung and iPhones. So for OnePlus, there is also an option for canvas or insight wallpaper. So the next step is to set wallpaper for home, lock or home lock or both, like home screen. So after selecting your wallpaper, let's try this one. After selecting your wallpaper, you'll be asked where to apply it, either your lock for this for lock screen and the home screen, or you can use it for both. So tap your choice and hit next or apply or set wallpaper, whichever one. For iPhone users, we see a preview and the option to customize widgets or blur the background. Okay, and now just press the home button and swipe up and boom, your brand new look. If I tap this now, yeah, and see, you will just change the wallpaper. Your phone now feels fresh, personal, and inspiring. So if this helped you refresh your screen, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials like this. Drop a comment with your phone brand if you want me to do more tricks for you for specific device. Thanks for watching and enjoy your fresh new phone vibe.